Welcome back to Dropout Trades, everybody. In this video, we're going to be making our trading plan on SPY and Tesla for this coming up week. Let's get right into it. Let's go. All right, so as always, we're going to start with the support levels and then get into the resistance levels before we make our trading plan. So let's go over that. 429.79, 432.91, 435s, 437.40s, 439.80s, 90s, 443.39, 445.11, 446.70s, 80s, 448s, and 450s, 451s. Now let's get into a lower time frame and let's get into our trading plan. All right, so in order for me to enter a trade, what I would want to see is SPY not breaking this 443s, but I would actually want it to see it break around here, the 444s. Once we break this 444s, as you can see over here, I would feel a lot more comfortable to enter a trade. Where I would exit, I would probably not exit over here at the 445s, but I would exit at around 446s, just to be on the safe side. If market is looking good that day and overall sentiment is good, I would most likely just keep a tight stop loss and let it keep running to see if we can reach the 447s to 448s. For the downside, what I would need to see is I would want to see it break this 437s to 436 again. Now, once we break this, I would most likely write it down to the 435s to 433s, just depending on how it's looking that day. Most likely it's going to be 435, and if I choose to stay past this 435 to keep writing these puts, then I will keep a very tight stop loss, so I will not lose my profits on that. That's about it for the SPY for this week. As the week goes on, I'll make update videos updating this trading plan. Let's get into Tesla. Tesla supports and resistance. Let's go. So we got 207.50s, 212.50s, 217.40s, 220.58s, 226s, 229.70s, 235s, and 244.70s, 252s, 260s, 269s, and 273s. All right, let's get into a lower time frame and get into our trading plan. In order for me to enter a trade on Tesla, I would usually say to break this 245s and 250s, but what I see over here is building a pretty nice support level, okay, at around the 235.50s to 236 areas. So if it does come back down to this area, I will most likely play calls on here to try to catch it back up, and where I would exit would be 242s. I don't know if I would hold it all the way to 244s, might keep a tight stop loss and let it keep running, but 242s is where I would usually exit, and that would be a very nice play if it hits all the way from 235s to 242s. That would be very nice if you pick the right option. If we can break this 251s, 252s, I believe that it's going to be a big move up all the way to 260, and we might even see 269 within the next day or two. So what I am looking forward to breaking is this 252. I think it's a pretty strong resistance level over here. So once we break that, I will definitely play the calls on that once I have confirmation on this. To the downside, I would wait most likely for it to break this 229s. I would play it to 227s just to be on the safe side. If we can break the 221s, 220s, then I would most likely play it down to 218s. And then if it breaks this, to be honest, I would just, I don't know if I would play that. I would most likely wait until it breaks this 212 to 211, and then I would most likely play it to the 207s. I would probably get out around 208, and that's that for this week on Tesla. If there's anything else that's going to come up, I will make an update video updating this trading plan, and then we'll go from there. If you guys have any questions or any other stocks do you guys want to see, please let me know down in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. It helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and we'll see you guys in the next one.